Hello, our group is here to present a marketing idea for a smart keyboard called Easy Keys. Our group consists of myself, Tammy Darst, Hope McCluggage, Caleb Black, Madison Higdon, and Isabel Villanueva. Have you ever typed out a whole email then to realize only that it was all in caps? This can be caused by pressing shift too much, which then disrupts your text flow and it can be time consuming to fix. With our new keyboard idea, it can be easily corrected with one key press. The Smart Chip for keyboards detects when the text is in uppercase. It converts it to lowercase after a certain amount of characters and saves time and effort for users. It improves your typing efficiency and eliminates the need for manual corrections. There was an article on the UMA technology site that talks about the frustrations and concerns of inadvertently sending an email that is all in caps. This can convey a certain tone or emotion, which can cause miscommunication. When sending emails to customers and vendors, it is important to be professional. Our solution is a keyboard that is programmed to autocorrect capital letters to lowercase after so many letters or words are typed out. Hope is now going to tell you about our keyboard design. Hope?
The creation of this keyboard involves a lot of tiny parts that do a lot of work. With the help of the expert software engineer, Cody Darst, and the Future Learn article about computers, I found out about a lot of these parts. Now, the main component of our keyboard is our custom microcontroller, or microchip. Only spanning a few nanometers in length, this thing controls our whole entire keyboard. In this chip, every key has its own code, so the computer knows what letter to put on your screen. Most keyboards have their chip programmed to keep the caps lock button going after it's pressed until it is turned off when pressed again. But our chip is programmed differently. When the caps lock button is pressed on our keyboard, it only stays pressed for one character, leaving easy use for capitalized letters and starting new sentences. For those that need a longer capitalized sentence, the key being pressed twice in a row will lock the key in place, leaving your sentence capitalized until you press the button again, unlocking it. This, along with our sleek design, creates the perfect keyboard. Now that I've explained how this works, our chief marketing agent, Kayla, will explain our audience.
Hi guys, so our target audience, it will be consisting over 3 billion people who use keyboards daily, such as businessmen, college students, or just at-home jobs. People who are inclined to use keyboards, also content creators and programmers. Isabel will now give us some insight on Easy Keys and our competitors.
Each day we conduct typing activities both professionally and academically and personally. Modern technology has advanced significantly, but traditional keyboards continue to be obsolete. Typewriters lack intelligent features which would enhance speed and effectiveness when typing. One of the most common and frustrating mistakes is typing in all caps. Easy Keys recognize this and needs to innovate a chance to develop new solutions. The intelligent keyboard system from Easy Keys performs automatic correction of capital letters to prevent disruption for users who want to maintain continuous work. But we didn't stop here. Each user can personalize Easy Keys according to their needs by modifying settings for both sensitivity and key mapping and smart shortcuts for best typing results. Our product differentiates itself from other keyboards, which focuses exclusively on basic operations since Easy Keys is specifically aims to minimize typing strain and maximize productivity. Customers who choose Easy Keys obtain an intelligent typing solution instead of standard keyboard. Our team continues to revolutionize keyboard capabilities, and we have only begun our development process. Maddie is now going to tell us about the business model.
Our company plans on generating revenue by doing interest checks before doing a production run. This will be used to see how high the demand is for our product, Easy Keys. If we have a successful number of potential buyers interested, we will move on to the group buy process. This is where we collect orders and payments in order to do the first production run. After our first production run, we will try to get larger retailers such as Amazon, Best Buy, and continue to do direct-to-consumer sales, courtesy of DCC Electronics. Manufacturing cost per unit is $87. Sales price per unit is $100, and the projected profit for year one is $34 million. The business expansion is 10 million. Scholarships and donations are 12 million, and we plan to break even at the 6-month point, courtesy of CFO leadership. Now Kayla is going to describe to us how we are going to do our marketing and sales strategies.
Our marketing sub-strategy focus will focus on social media and their influences, target savvy professionals, highlight cost efficiency and product features who use our features in video demos and engagement partners with websites and emails such as campaigns. We will sell through online channels, offer bundle deals, B2B discounts, promos, courtesy of trendreports.com. Isabel will now have oh my Lord. Isabel will now tell us how operations.
Easy Keys develops more than a keyboard since we established an intelligent typing experience. Our operation plan guides us to develop a system which ensures efficiency as well as maintains quality standards and promotes business expansion. Just like McKinsey and Company operations and website says, we need a vision and a plan and execution. Our team concentrates on developing the smart chip and prototype, which will deliver automatic all caps correction alongside better typing accuracy and easy keys. The perfected smart chip will enable us to establish relationships with suppliers and manufacturers for product scale up alongside quality control maintenance. Easy keys will be made readily available to global customers through our online source and distribution network setup phase. We created a specific customer service division that will offer complete assistance together with handling customer questions. Quality is our top priority. The product performance will undergo continuous tracking with user feedback used to improve our design. Easy Keys will stay at the forefront of its segment because software updates and bug fixes create a smooth, evolving user experience. Our final strategy involves developing stronger relationships between Easy Keys and manufacturing companies and retailers to enhance market penetration and secure long-term business success. Hope is going to tell us more about the use of the funds.
Our initial investment into the company was $280,000. And since the trip is so intricate, we decided to spend about $15,000 on prototype development. Also spending $25,000 on patents, trademarks, licensing agreements, marketing expenses, and travel. We spent $133,000 on manufacturing, and the remaining money was spent on the workers' salaries. The manufacturing cost of one keyboard comes out to about $87, giving the company a 13% return from each $100 purchase. Post-development, we plan to spend about 1/3 of our profits on scholarships and donations to respectable nonprofits, leaving the rest of our income for running the business and business expansion. Overall, our projected profit adds up to about $34 million as of the end of 2025. Next, our CEO, Tammy, will explain our investment requests.
After hearing that wonderful presentation, we hope that you are as excited about this new product as we are. We are here asking help with funding. We would like to request $300,000 for 10% equity in our company. These funds will be for retail and development and production, expanding our marketing and sales efforts, growing partnerships with keyboard manufacturers, scale operations, and improving customer service, drive innovation in the tech market. Please join us in revolutionizing this typing experiences. Thank you for your time.